Hello, my dear subscribers and my students. My name is Urvesh Swarnakar. Few of y'all may already know me as I earlier used to upload video lectures on YouTube for CA IPCC at free of cost. And now our channel has reached to a limit of 10,000 plus subscribers. I would like to appreciate the support given by the students to me. And now I am going to record the lectures for CA IPC Direct Tax Paper 4. The USP of my direct tax lecture are as follows. The first USP of my direct tax lecture is the direct tax lecture is covered within the time frame of 30 to 32 hours maximum, and this time limit is for the full-fledged lecture, and this is not a revision lecture. The second USP of my video lecture is that now I am using tablet in order to record my video lectures, and all my lectures are in English. The third USP of my lecture is that the notes that I'll be using in the video lecture, it will be available for download to the students in the Telegram group, and the students don't need to write anything. They just need to simply sit back and understand the explanation that I'm explaining for a particular thing. The fourth USP of my video lecture is you will get a format book. You all might be thinking, what is this format book? Format book is something in which there are all the formats for solving a sum. This format book will help you for a last day revision, because students know how to solve a sum, but they do not know how to present it in an exam in order to fetch good marks. So students waste maximum 5 to 10 minutes in ascertaining how to make a format. So if you just see this format book, will automatically register in your brain how to present a particular thing in the exam. Okay, and it will help you all to solve the sum in a speedy manner also as compared to others. The fifth USP of my video lecture is that we are going to solve as many minimum sums as possible, because the explanation and the format book will make you so confident enough that you can solve any sum from the study material as well as from the past paper questions. And I would also request you all to buy a scanner of any author in order to solve past question papers. For time being, I will be recording only direct text lectures, and I'll upload the direct text lectures. After uploading this direct text lectures, I will create a playlist so that students can save this playlist and can listen to the lecture in a synced manner. And every day I will be uploading maximum 2 lectures. I would like to request to the students who are new to this channel to subscribe to this channel, and the students who are already subscribed to this channel and who are also new to this channel, kindly hit a like button to all my videos whichever you are viewing. This will help YouTube to recognize that this particular lectures are good enough, and it will push it to the maximum audience as much as possible. And I would also request you all to share the video lectures, the playlist of my video lectures, to all of your friends who are connected with this CA course. Above here you can see a mobile number besides the UPI apps. So what is this? So basically, earlier when I used to teach on YouTube for free of cost, few students used to contact me and used to tell me that, sir, I want to appreciate you in a monetary terms. Please give us your account number so that we can make a monetary contribution to you. So that time I wasn't sure to give them my account details, and that time the UPI apps were also not so much in popular. So that's why they were safe or not, that was also a concern. But after this COVID and the lockdown, the UPI is being commonly used by everyone. So if you want to make a monetary contribution to me, you can make it over here. And I would also request you all, if you are making any monetary contribution to me, please send me a screenshot of that so that I can recognize who have made a monetary contribution to me, and I can appreciate them on my social media handles over here, including the YouTube in my video lectures. And whatever the contribution you are making to this UPI number, it is at your will. There is nothing dramatic about that you have to make a contribution to me. The video lectures are completely free, as well as the notes, and the format book is also free. You can download it from the Telegram group. Just you need to do is you need to join the Telegram group, and from there you can download it. I hope you all make the full use of the video lectures and the direct text playlist along with the notes as well as the format book, and secure an exemption in CA IPC Paper 4 Taxation. And I would like to wish you all the best for your future.